Hot new, doctors confirm Babe Wajimo is still a virgin. Mampincha and Babes Wajimo been doing it the wrong way, doctors confirm Babes is still a virgin. Couple desperate for a baby have been told they've been H_obeying $3x the wrong way for years, which is why they failed to C_on Ciev. But alarm bells rang when medics discovered the wife was a virgin. She then admitted $3x was usually P.N full for her every time. Babes Wajimo also revealed that the experience was unusually P_N full for her every time, but she suffered through it in the hope of becoming P_regnant. The woman's symptoms led their doctor to believe that she may have had some sort of G_gynecological disease. But the doctor said she was shocked when an examination revealed the wife to be a V_N. According to China's Guiyang Evening Post, doctors' experience led her to inspect the woman's A_new_S. It was then that the medic is said to have learned the couple had been mistakenly having A_N_Al$3x for years, resulting in their failure to conceive. Doctor gave TH3M a $3x education handbook. She also gave them guidelines before they were sent home. The advice appeared to work, as news of the babes' pregnancy arrived just a month later. Doctor said, for so many years of dating and neither the boyfriend nor girlfriend knew how to get PR_regnant. Couples so lacking in general knowledge are very rare. She added, but it is not uncommon for people to lack or have misconceptions regarding $3U at L knowledge. Yeah.